Ukrainian troops were able to intercept a call by a Russian general and kill him, according to the New York Times. The paper cited 2 U.S. military officials for the information. It did not name the general or give a location. The report corroborates suggestions that the Russian military is using unsecured communications that Ukraine has been able to intercept. Ukraine said it has killed 4 generals so far, an unusual toll for such senior officers. The Times gave few details on the general whose intercepted call was said to lead to his death. The paper reported, citing U.S. officials, the Ukrainians intercepted a general's call, geolocated it, and attacked his location, killing him and his staff. A person close to Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky told the Wall Street Journal that Ukrainian intelligence had set up a special unit to hunt senior Russian commanders. In announcing the death of Major General Vitaly Gerasimov, killed near Kharkiv, Ukrainian officials mentioned significant problems with communication. Appearing to demonstrate that point, Ukraine released audio purporting to show a Russian soldier reporting the death of Gerasimov to a superior. In the call, the soldier said Russia's ERA communications system had stopped working in Ukraine, forcing them to use unsecured lines. How many Russian servicemen have been killed in Ukraine? It is a criminal offense in Russia to report anything other than the official figures. According to information released by Russia's defense ministry, 498 soldiers have lost their lives in what the Kremlin calls its special military operation. Those are the latest figures, from 2 March. There has been no update for 2 weeks. On the other side, an estimated 7,000 Russian troops have died, and 10% of the army's equipment has been destroyed during Moscow's invasion of Ukraine, The Guardian reports, citing Western officials. One official says Russian troops have been trying to encircle the Ukrainian capital for many days, but it failed to make any real progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.